Let me tell you something big, something real, something that is already happening while most people are not paying attention. The whole world is about to shift. We're changing. Jobs are changing. What we call normal is changing. And the reason is very simple. Artificial intelligence is growing faster than anything we have seen in our lifetime. It is walking into jobs that used to belong to people. It is doing work that humans used to do by hand. It is showing up in offices, factories, stores, and companies in every part of the world. But here's the part you must hear. While some jobs will disappear, while some people will feel stressed and scared, while some industries get shaken up, home-based businesses are about to explode like never before. I'm talking about the next wave of millionaires. I'm talking about everyday people who decided to build something right from their kitchen table, extra bedroom, or even the corner of their living room. And here's the truth that many people don't understand. AI will replace a lot of things, but it cannot replace you in your own business. Your creativity, your voice, your personal touch, your problem solving. These are the things AI can help you with, but not replace you with. Today's question is the most important question you can ask yourself right now. Will you be part of the wave, or will you watch it pass you by? Stay with me because what I'm about to share may shape your future more than you think. Now, before we get into all of it, please subscribe to this great channel. Hit that notification bell so every time we put up great content just like this, and when it's all said and done, if you leave me a comment, I'll gladly respond to you. Now, there's some things we have got to understand. Let's talk about you. Let's talk about why this matters for your life, your family, your success, and your future. Most people wake up every day and depend on one job, one paycheck, one company, one boss. But the world we are entering is not safe for one. One stream is never enough in a world built on change. People are being replaced in real time. Even people with college degrees, even people with years of experience, even people who thought their job was secure. But home-based business owners, oh my goodness, they have a superpower right now. And here's why. A home-based business moves fast. When something shifts, you can shift with it. You don't need a board meeting. You don't need approval. You don't need to wait for policy changes. You can change today. You can adjust today. You can create today. Next, home-based businesses cost less to run. Don't have big offices, not expensive, no huge staff, expensive lofts or equipment. No, they're not very expensive, but running a business from home lets you focus on what matters most, making money and serving people. Then AI actually helps home-based business owners win. Most people fear AI, but smart entrepreneurs use AI as a tool, not a threat. AI can help you with planning, help you with writing, help you with marketing, help you save time, help you move faster. So instead of you being replaced, you become more powerful. Then the market is shifting towards small, personal, and flexible. People are tired of big companies being told and being cold and being slow. They want personal service. They want real conversation. They want people who care. And guess who can offer that? Home-based business owners. This is why your interest matters. You can win bigger in the next 5 years than in the last 20 if you prepare now. And trust me, the window is open right now, but it will not stay open forever. Now, let's talk about what's in your heart. Let's talk about what you truly want for your life. You want freedom, real freedom. You want to wake up in the morning and feel proud because you are building something that belongs to you, not something that belongs to a boss, but something that has your name on it. You want to take care of your family without stress. You want money that comes in even when things around you change. You want a future where you depend on someone else to survive. Deep down, you want control. You want to own your own schedule. You want to own your own rules. You want your own life back. You want a business you can scale. You want systems that make life easier. You want structure that gives you stability. You want the money to grow your business the right way. Because without fuel, even the best car can't move. Funding is the fuel. It gives you power. It gives you the speed. It gives you options. With funding, you can market your business, hire help, buy equipment, build systems, scale fast. And then there's support. You also want someone who knows this game, someone who can guide you, someone who knows the world of home-based business, credit, and funding, someone who can help you avoid the mistakes that slow people down. You want a team. You want a coach. You want someone who believes in your future. Let me tell you this very clearly. Those desires are not big. They are not out of reach. They are not impossible. They are your signal to move. All you can have now is that signal. Faster than you think, though, it can come into your reality. If you take action now, while this wave is rising, great things can happen for you. But now we need to talk about the other side. Because while home-based businesses are exploding, while AI is opening doors for people who are ready, while new millionaires are being made, there is a danger, a real one. If you don't get ready now, if you don't create systems, if you don't get organized, if you don't get funded, if you don't get help, you might get left behind. I don't say that to scare you. I say it because I care about you winning. Let me break it down. First, AI moves fast. People who delay get replaced. The world is not slowing down to let anyone catch up. AI will keep changing things every single week. And people who choose to wait and see may find themselves stuck. Next, competition is rising every day. New home-based business owners are launching daily. Some are smart, some are hungry, some are fully focused, and they are moving fast. If you don't build now, someone else will. And then, without systems, your business will fall apart. A business without systems is like a house without walls. It might look good at first, but it will not stand. Systems protect you. They help you grow. They make scaling possible. Without them, a good idea can become a stressful mess. Then, without funding, your growth slows down. This is a big one. Many people try to build a business on hope. They try to scale with no money. They try to move without fuel, and they get frustrated. They get tired. They get overwhelmed. Then they give up. I don't want that for you. Without guidance, you may make mistakes that cost time, money, and peace. You can do this, but you can't do this alone. It will take longer. It will cost more. And you may hit walls that slow you down. You need someone who knows how funding works, someone who knows how credit works, someone who knows how to structure things the right way. And that's why I share what I share. My goal is to help you get ahead, not fall behind. Because the hardest truth is this: the people who do nothing today will regret it tomorrow. The people who take action today will lead tomorrow. And I want you to lead. Now, there's something very, very critical. We have to talk about what you need to do to win in this new season. Here are the steps, and they are very simple. Step 1, get organized. Know your numbers. Know your goals. Know what you need to fix and what you need to build. Your business cannot grow in confusion. Clarity brings power. Step 2, build real systems. You need systems that help you scale, systems that help you bring in clients, systems that help you deliver your service, systems that keep your business running even when life gets busy. Without systems, you work harder, not smarter. Step 3, get funded. This is the fuel. This is the power. This is the speed. With funding, you can market, hire, expand, and grow. Without it, you get stuck. And yes, I help home-based business owners get funded the right way. Step 4, connect with a specialist. This is not the time to guess. This is not the time to try random strategies you found online. This is not the time to hope. This is the time to partner with someone who knows what they're doing, someone who can guide you step by step, someone who knows the funding world from the inside, someone who cares about your success. That's where I come in. You don't have to figure this out alone. You don't have to guess. You don't have to hope you're doing it right. You can work with me. You can get help. You can learn the game. You can scale with support. You can position your business for the future. Step 5, take immediate action right now. Here's what you can do today. Check the description below. You'll see an opportunity to work with me so we can take your home-based business to the next level. While you're here, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me what kind of business you run. Your voice matters. Your dream matters. Your future matters. You are living in the time where home-based business owners can rise faster than ever before. The world is changing, but this change can work for you, not against you. You can build something powerful. You can grow something real. You can create a life that gives you freedom, and you can start today. Because the truth is simple. Home-based businesses are set to explode, and you deserve to be part of that explosion. Let's build this together. Be blessed.